So now that we have our Adsense address verification pin, you have to come to your Adsense account. So this is the Adsense account I want to verify. So if you come here, you can see it says your payments are on hold because you need to verify this address. But as you can see right here, there are no payments. This is because this account is connected to my YouTube channel. So if I want to view the earnings, I have to come to YouTube for AdSense. This is for sites and blogs. So again, you say to start earning from AdSense, you will need to add your payment method. So before you add your payment method, you need to first of all verify your address. So now that we have the PIN, we just need to come here where we have to put the PIN. So here it says we posted your PIN on the 20th of April. It should take 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. So what happened was that I actually, after waiting for 2 weeks or 3 weeks, which is 21 days, I decided to ask for another pin. So this is the one they sent. This is the newest pin, but I already have the initial one they sent. So I'm just going to come here and click on verify. So this is where you need to put your pin. So it says right here that I have 3 attempts remaining. So I'm just going to put the pin that was sent to me. So it's actually a 6-digit number, and of course I don't know if I have any reason to cover it, but I'm just going to cover it for no reasons at all. So I'm just going to click on submit. So right here you can see our address verification has been submitted and completed. So if I click on refresh, I think this pop-up should not be here anymore. So as you can see, that pop-up is gone. I now need to add my payment method. So this is how to verify your AdSense, the address verification. Again, before you do the address verification, you must do the identity verification. This is the first step, and you just need to use either your voter's card, your passport, your national driver's license, or your national identity card. I personally used my national identity card and it was accepted immediately. If you don't know how to get your national identity card, you can let me know, so I'll make a video on that. So after that, you need to earn at least $10 for them to ask you to verify your address. So if you earn $10 either on YouTube or your blog, they will then ask you to do an address verification. So now this is how this is done. So I think that's all for this video. If you have any questions, you can ask me and I'll be happy to help you. Until then, peace out.